Hello, friends. Welcome to the IKLS Academy. We serve the nation through education by providing laboratory training and online training programs in different fields such as the industrial biotechnology, animal biotechnology, quality control, and quality assurance training, and lots more, and various other courses, online courses. Okay, today I will be discussing about some few facts, career opportunities, and some guidelines related to one of the famous field, that is the biotechnology, a career challenge nowadays. So, friends, as we know that biotechnology is a broad area of biology, which in general terms involves the use of living system and organism to develop or make products or to invent drugs or any we can say any innovative research. And also seeing the current scenario of this pandemic condition, which is related to the coronavirus, there occurs an golden opportunity for all of us to have our bright future in this biotechnology world, because as we know that the vaccine development and the treatment of this COVID-19 virus would won't be possible without the biotechnological technique. Oh, these are the applications, these are the current and live applications and need of the biotechnology for the future and present time. But it's not us who depends upon this field. Our social media too finds this field exciting and fascinating. As I know, it will be sounding something funny, but there occurs numerous movies which have been filmed on the technique and inventions of biotechnology. Many of you heard about some famous movies such as the Spider-Man, Hulk, Resident Evil, X-Men, lots other list movies. Let me tell you that what's the good thing about these movies is they show the current application of biotechnology in our real life that would be beneficial for those who have the wrong perception for biotechnology future, as they think that there occurs no future scope in this field, but they are wrong at this place. Okay, next is the achievement of your aim is success. Though once you have opted the biotechnology, you have to move towards the achievement and then to success. If we define the word success, that literally means the fact that you have achieved what you want by doing well and becoming famous, rich, having all the comforts that everyone needs in his or her life. But in order to get it, you should be in your right path without any distraction. Sometimes it happens you work out for many a time, but you won't get the actual result what you want. And um, and that is why to achieve something in your life and heading towards the success, it is the utmost important thing that you should be guided rightly and be on your right path. As I had discussed earlier, for the achievement of your success, the next is the most important thing is you have to believe in yourself. You don't have to misguided by anyone. You have to build up your confidence so that you won't get disturbed in between though many failures you have to face. If you lack your confidence in between, then you won't be able to face this situation, you won't be able to get the result. Sometimes it happens when you fail too many times to pass any interview or to any exam, you started demoralized and you get regret that why you have chosen this field, you don't have to be chosen. That should not be done. You don't have to feel regret, you should that should not be done, and you don't have to distract from that. Next is the receive, conceive, achieve. We receive many things such as knowledge, information, guidelines from our society, experts, friends, families, teachers, seniors, and many others to whom we meet in day-to-day our life. What happens, whatever the information we get from them, they comes to us in two forms. Maybe they taught you in positive way, maybe they told you in negative way. It totally depends on ourselves that the information which we are gathering or conceiving, we are taking it in which form. If we are getting it in positive way, so we are taking that guidelines in positive way, or taking that guidelines in negative way. If we many of us from maybe misguided or demotivated by other people, we get the negative things. If we receive the negative things, we conceive the negative things, then you won't be getting the actual result. It depends on you, that which opinion you choose, and on the basis of which your achievement and career success will depend. You have to neglect the negative things and conceive the only positive things about your success that would be beneficial for you. Next is the set your career goal, list your dream, fix the time duration, and go ahead. Set your career goal means you have to pre-decide your career, that whether you want to become an entrepreneur or you want to become an employee. You have to list down your dream, whatever you want to earn in your life, and decide your time, which means you have to do your time management, that up to which period you want to achieve what things in your life. It totally depends upon you, that how the time management you decide for your own. For example, it is up to you to at to which age you have to finish your academic background, at which age you have to come in your job profession, and later on to settle in your life. For example, it does not mean that till at your age 30 you are still in your academic. Then at which the question arises, then at which age you will be able to come in your good job profile. That will again for taking your job, that will again take 5 to 6 years, and then to gain experience in that field and become settled in your life will reach you up to the age of 45 or 50 approx. So for this reason only you have to frame your time, and that is a very important step. To achieve the time frame you have, after the achieving your time frame, you have to go ahead. For that, during this step you may have go to through many hurdles, many problems. There may occur many situations which can't be controlled or sorted by you, so you need the help from your expertise and from your guide who can help you to sort out or resolve your problem. You can also concern with the under expertise who are professionals, or who can counsel your problem. Okay, what's the next thing is the what are we studying? In here in this field we are not confined to a single subject. We have to learn many subjects, and all these are somehow interrelated to each other. We have to learn about the molecular biology, microbiology, immunology, food technology, chemistry, physics, recombinant DNA technology, enzymology. These are the main subjects that I have been discussed here, but there are other subjects too, the basic principles, the biochemistry, the molecular biology. These are the main subjects of this biotechnology field, which finds its application in day-to-day life in various job profiles. Okay, the next is the myth. The myth mainly the no scope after graduation. Research is only scope not in India. Scientist job salary is very less. These myths are normally the misunderstandings, which are normally generally caused by those people who are unaware of this field and its application. They misguide you, and you grasp the same thing in your mind, which should be strictly avoided. These occurs no such myth. There occurs no such myth. But the real fact is that there occurs a very good scope after graduation. There is a scope in industry, a good scope in India. You can go for the product development, job profiles in various other industries, and salary package maybe ranges from 15 to 20,000, though not so higher level. But at a small step of initiation you can have your scope just after the graduation also. If you want to come into earlier in the job profile, then after the graduation you can strictly switch towards your job profile. Next is the scope in India. There are many jobs are available in different industries. You have to go for you have to search it and go for it. Many of you are unaware of where to apply a resume, or where to choose from where to choose a field. It is in further slides I'll be explaining from where you can select it. But you have to develop your skill according to the job profile, and your initiation would be ranges from the 15 to 20,000. Okay, capacity focused target. Everyone has its own capacity for work. It may be depend on his or her financial condition, family background, family expectation, personal needs. Okay, personal needs, that totally depends upon one's interest. Some of you may belong to good financial background, while some of them may not. So it depends upon you, that which line or path do you choose. Do you want to continue your studies, or want to go for job or business or other field? Next is the focus. If you have a choice for attaining the for pursuing the job profession, then you have to decide which type of job you want, whether you want to go in a public sector or you want to go for the private sector. If you are willing to go do a government job, you want to go for a public sector, then you can go for the coachings for B.Ed, BTC, banking, SSC. You can prepare for these government level jobs and clear your exam. And if you are willing to do the private sector job, then you main thing is to you have to leave the homesickness, as many of us are willingly to do work in our hometown only. They are not even have a choice. So most of us used to search the jobs in own hometown. But this is the main problem. If you willing to do a job, then you should be get ready to work around the world. Wherever the job is available, you should reach there and apply for that, and be ready to do job there and get your experience. Next is the target. Target is the profile that the you have to select the industry, you have to select the particular profile on which you want to work. Suppose you have selected the profile for a quality analyst in any food industry job, then you have to know, you have to develop your skill, that you should be knowing every skills of that quality control department, so that you can be you can face the interview properly and can perform the analysis testing in there. Next is how to make career. That is one's personal interest, that anyone can want to pursue his academic area, or they want to go for research, or they want to switch to the job profiles in different industries. For example, the food, you can switch to medicine, you can go for the diagnostic lab work. So it's totally depends upon one's personal interest in to which field they opt for. If they have a keen interest for doing the research area, then they go for the higher studies for post graduation, and then to PhD, and then to postdoc, and later on they can go for R&D department for research and development. And if they want to go for academic, or want to become a teacher, or want to become a lecturer, then also there is an opportunity that they can clear out the clear out their PhD, do their PhD, and can teach in degree colleges, or go for the higher studies. For industrial job profile, you have to, as I have discussed earlier, that you have to develop your skill. You should be special for that profile to which you choose. If you are familiar with the food technology skills, you are familiar with the all the guidelines provided by the BIS and FSSAI, you should then no one is there to cut out your selection place. Next is to how to find industry. Okay, once you have decided, once you have managed your time, once you selected the job in which area you have to go, then you have to find out the industry. So no need to go anywhere. Many of you confused that where to apply for job, and in which area we are preferable. So you have to just list down your daily products from early morning to night, starting from your toothpaste to oil. So what you have to do is, you have to list down the things whatever you use in your particular daily life. List out the food materials, list out the food materials, and the cosmetic products. These are the, or if you are taking medicine, then list out the company's name of medicine manufacturing. Then see its address, manufacturing, where is the manufacturing is done, where is the production is done. Go for the company's website profile. Every company nowadays, every company's website profile has the home page, which also provides the career opportunity point tab in that home page. You can quickly go to their tab, click on and apply for, or leave a resume over there. If they found it suitable, they can call you and contact you for the interview. Next is the industrial profile. Now you have searched for the industries. It's time to work out that which profile, on which profile uh, you will be fitted over there. Okay, the various profiles in industries are there. Talking about some of them, few I have discussed here. That is the chemist, microbiologist, biochemist, effluent treatment plant manager, production supervisor, quality control executive and manager, quality assurance executive and manager, food safety executive and manager. These are the various profiles on which you can apply for your job. These are profiles that are mandatory, that will be available in every and each industries nowadays. Career growth in industry. It doesn't mean that once you have appointed, you don't have any growth in that. There's occurs on opportunity for your career growth. That if you the if if your work is efficient, if your work is good, then there occurs a chances for promotion. You can be a plant manager, you can be appointed as a product consultant, you can be appointed as a general manager, seeing your performance in the industry. It totally depends upon your performance, it totally depends upon your work and skills and talent, that will help you to secure the higher position. Next is the career as a freelancer. If you don't want to do job and you want to be in home, you can go for the internal auditor, external auditor. You can work from your home. You can be a product consultant, production consultant, FSMS auditor. Every hotel, restaurant and various other industries have their personal auditors for the inspection, and for applying the certification, anyone can go for the external auditor. You can be appointed for that position also. Next is the what we have to add on in our study. Here are the few points. That is the industrial management system, quality control management, quality assurance, ISO standard, BIS guidelines, FSSAI rules and regulations, food safety management system, drug and cosmetic act, internal auditor course, lead auditor course. These are the few courses that are available. If you pursue through these courses, if you opt any one of these courses, then it will be beneficial for you. It will add a positive mark in your resume, that you will be sorted out and increase the chances of selection up to 40% to 50% for any industries. It gives you the preference. It's make you different from other candidates. If you pursue, if you have the certification for these training modules, if you have the certification, then the companies you choose to use to prefer those who have the additional qualities, those who have the additional qualifications. So having these degrees in your resume, having these qualifications, having these certifications with you can be a plus point for you for any industrial interview for or any profile job. For these for develop your skill, you can join many of our training modules. For example, animal biotechnology, that is a duration for 1 month; industrial biotechnology for 1 month; industrial quality control and quality assurance training; chemoinformatics and drug designing; herbal drugs, fermentation and bioprocess, food safety management. These are the few training modules that which you can join on online mode, and certificate will be provided on completion of the course. It will be helpful for you. You will be get the skills, you will be get the all the modules on which the uh, industrial based modules, so that you can develop your skill. To get latest update, please like, share, comment, and subscribe now our ITLS Academy channel on YouTube, and register yourself for training programs. Thank you.